Here's a list of 25 ways to make money with your crochet skills. Sell finished products. Create and sell items like scarves, hats, and blankets on platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. Custom orders. Offer personalized crochet items, such as custom colors or sizes for clients. Online tutorials. Create and sell video or written crochet tutorials on platforms like Udemy or your own website. Crochet Patterns. Design and sell your own crochet patterns on Etsy or Ravelry. Subscription boxes. Curate and sell crochet kits or supplies on a subscription basis. Craft classes. Teach crochet classes locally or online via platforms like Zoom. Blogging. Start a blog about crochet and monetize it through ads, affiliate links, or sponsored posts. YouTube channel. Create crochet content on YouTube, monetizing through ads and sponsorships. Wholesale to retailers. Sell your crochet items in bulk to local shops or boutiques. Seasonal products. Create themed items for holidays, like Christmas ornaments or Halloween decorations, to sell. Crochet jewelry. Make and sell unique crochet jewelry pieces. Pet accessories. Create and sell crochet items for pets, such as toys, collars, or sweaters. Home decor. Design and sell crochet home decor items like coasters, table runners, or wall hangings. Baby items. Focus on baby products, such as blankets, booties, or toys, which are always in demand. Crochet challenges. Host crochet challenges on social media with entry fees and prizes. Affiliate marketing. Promote crochet supplies and tools on your platforms, earning commissions on sales. Collaborations. Partner with other crafters for joint projects, expanding your audience. Craft fairs. Rent a booth at local craft fairs or markets to showcase your work. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram or TikTok to promote and sell your crochet items. Gift items. Create and sell gift sets, such as a combination of a scarf, hat, and mittens. Crochet workshops. Organize workshops or retreats focusing on specific crochet skills. Patreon support. Start a Patreon account where supporters can pay for exclusive content or patterns. Crochet kits. Create and sell DIY crochet kits with all necessary materials included. Virtual events. Host virtual crochet-alongs, charging a fee for participation. Charity projects. Organize charity crochet projects and seek sponsorships or donations. You know what to do now. Like post, share post, follow AzThreads. If you would like me to expand on any of the topics, please comment below. If you would like me to complete the PDF or book on these topics, please comment expand.